In this video, I'll show you how to uninstall Windows updates in Windows 11. If your computer started acting up after a recent update, this is the best way to remove that specific update safely. First, right-click on the Start icon and select Settings. In the Settings window, scroll down on the left sidebar and click Windows Update. It's usually the last option. Next, click on Update History. Here, you'll see a list of everything installed on your PC, including feature updates, driver updates, and other updates. Now, scroll down to the bottom and under Related Settings, click Uninstall Updates. This will open a new window showing all the recent updates, including those labeled with KB numbers. Find the update you want to remove, especially the most recent one that may be causing problems, select it, and click Uninstall. Windows will then remove that update, and after a quick restart, your computer should be back to normal. You can also review driver updates here to see which ones were recently installed. And that's it. You've successfully uninstalled a problematic Windows update in Windows 11. If this tutorial helped you, don't forget to like, subscribe, and leave a comment below. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next tutorial.